I shared to you kahapon no yung three-way tests ko, no? That I personally use whenever I want to do something, no? It helps me decide whether or not I should do something. Now for this particular vlog, no, I'd like to share to you what yung ano ko, yung four steps to success naman. Kahapon three-way tests, ngayon four steps to success. So this is something that I personally use as well. I teach it, no? So regardless kung ano man yung aspiration nyo sa buhay, regardless, kahit na ano pa yan, gusto nyo magkaroon ng mas maraming pera, gusto nyo yumaman, no? Whatever the definition ng pagyaman sa'yo, gusto mong pumayat, gusto mong maging healthier, gusto mong magkaroon ng syota, gusto mong maging valedictorian, cum laude, summa cum laude, whatever it is that you want to achieve, whatever it is that you aspire, the same four steps to success will apply. Okay? So, first step, and na-share ko na to noon, nire-share ko lang ngayon. First step, desire. Desire is the first step. Gusto ko. No? Gusto kong pumayat. Gusto kong yumaman. That's the first step. And it's the easiest step. Basta gustuhin mo, that's the first step. Gusto ko maging ganito. That's the first step. Second step, learn. After desire, you learn. You learn how to achieve whatever it is that you desired. That's the second step. Gusto kong yumaman, gusto kong pumayat. So learn more about how to achieve it. Gusto kong pumayat, learn more about LCIF. Gusto ko yumaman, learn more about personal finance. Okay? So that's the second step. Third step, plan. So after learning, you need to learn first, then learn the right things from the right sources. Wag yung kung sino-sinong sasayaw-sayaw dyan. You need to learn the right information so that by the time you're on the third step, which is planning, you get to plan the right things. So the first step is desire, second step is learn, third step is plan. Fourth and final step, hopefully maging successful ka na after the final step, is implementation. So you implement consistently, diligently, whatever it is that you planned, which is a result of whatever you learned and desired. So it's very important, kaya sabi ko sa inyo, output is a result of input. Whatever the input is, that will be the output. So, wrong input would lead to wrong output. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, importante yung information na kinukuha nyo, tama. Otherwise, if mali yung information, mali ang magiging resulta. Kung sino-sinong sumasayaw diyan sa tabi-tabi, pinagkukuhanan nyo ng LCIF info, kaya mali ang resulta. So, you need to get the right information from the right people so that you will be able to have the right result. So these are the four steps that I personally implement in order to become successful, whether LCIF, business, investing, poker, or whatever. Desire, learn, plan, implement. Okay?